Power automation equipment is monitored, controlled, and managed using intelligent devices such as RTUs, IEDs, protection relays, controllers, meters, etc. There could be many day-to-day problems creep up on these devices during operations. These problems, if escalated, need to be investigated by the system engineer or maintenance technicians using the device-specific engineering tools. Engineering access of these devices happens locally using the configuration port, which is not connected to any system. Most of the time, minor issues would end up in prolonged downtimes. Moreover, people on site may not have the right skill set for fixing the issues, and therefore an expert technician would need to travel to the site to get things done, and it would impact the maintenance cost and revenue. Remote access of the devices can be done, however, it would require opening inbound ports of the utility firewall. Opening a firewall port allows hackers to connect and exploit the utility assets easily. Furthermore, the engineering access of OEM may not have adequate data encryption, which enables hackers to monitor the communication and replicate the operations whenever required. VPN was believed to be the solution for the above issues. However, there is a more serious security risk in VPN. Whenever a technician joins a VPN network, he can access all the devices in the VPN without any additional permission. Furthermore, if any of the nodes in the VPN is vulnerable, then all the devices in the utility VPN have the potential to be compromised. Kulki.io Data Hub provides secure role-based access control to access the utility assets from anywhere in the world, as if you are connected to the end devices locally on site. Connection is always initiated from the utility network, making it less vulnerable to attack. Outbound connection keeps utility firewall closed, which means it's hidden from the outside world. Kulki.io Data Hub can be set up in Utility Control Center or Data Center, which does all the authentication and authorization. Data Hub allows client machines also to connect outbound to the Data Hub using the certificates issued to the user, which make the firewall at the client machines or network also to be hidden from the outside world. Once the client machine is connected to the Data Hub, then the technician can see only the devices which have been authorized to him. Kulki.io Zero Trust Access Security Solution always verify before permitting any connection to utility field devices and applications, helps in preventing inside and outside attacks. Kulki.io provides time-bound sharing of the specific device with a specific technician, ensures you the peace of mind by not worrying on unauthorized access of other devices in the network. The solution enables secure remote access of field devices regardless of the make, model, communication protocol, and tool. For example, if your network has devices from vendor A and vendor B, and you want to provide remote access to an expert technician from vendor A to perform diagnostics, then Kulki.io allows you to provide time-bound access to only vendor A device without him able to access vendor B devices, even though both devices are connected in same network and same location. Kulki.io Data Hub is also available as cloud-based subscription service if you don't want to set up Data Hub on your premise. All end-to-end connections from device to remote engineering computer are channeled through encrypted TLS 1.3 tunnel. PKI-based role-based access control provides flexibility and granularity in granting access to each device to a specific user. Firewall-friendly TLS tunnel provides flexible and scalable connectivity, unlike traditional VPN-based solution. Web-based configuration reduces complexity in setting up the system as well as makes it easy to audit and manage all the remote access sessions. For more information, visit www.kulkitech.com or contact sales@kulkitech.com.